Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can withdraw trial cash on Palmpay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Now, unfortunately, you cannot directly withdraw trial cash on Palmpay, but you do have other methods to withdraw. But you can use any interest earned from trial cash tasks for Palmpay transaction or withdrawal, right? So what you're gonna do is, unfortunately, the trial cash, that is what you get, the trial cash is simply a benefit which is not meant to direct withdraw or transaction, but you can withdraw the earned interest. So any interest earned from completing tasks or activities related to trial cash can be used for Palmpay transaction or withdrawal. So how you can use your earned interest is, for Palmpay transaction you can simply use the interest earned to make payments, send money, or pay bills within the Palmpay app, like that. And for the withdrawal, you can withdraw the interest earned by your bank account through the Palmpay app itself. Just like the way you do normal transaction, you're gonna do the same normal transaction for your Palmpay interest, right? And now how you're gonna access this? Simply go ahead, check your Palmpay wallet. The interest will be reflected in your Palmpay wallet balance right away. It will be upgraded. And next thing is, you can explore the Palmpay app for any ongoing trial cash tasks or promotion that offer interest rewards to earn or gain more. That is it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.